with a slow, deliberate pace and soft British accent. I'm not lazy. I'm slow, you see. Life's not a race, it's a melody. The world rushes by in a frantic stream, but I choose to walk, to pause, to dream. While others dash to chase the clock, I find the beauty in a quiet walk. The rustle of leaves, the whisper of air. I live for the moments that few even care. They call it lazy, but I call it grace, finding my joy at my own steady pace. The stars don't hurry, yet they shine so bright, and rivers carve canyons over endless nights. I'll get there in time. There's no need to rush. I prefer the symphony over the crush. Each task I take with care and with love, honoring the earth, the skies above. I'm not lazy, I just take my time, letting each moment feel sublime. For life's a journey, not just a goal, and I'd rather walk it with heart and soul. So call me slow. I'll wear it with pride. I'm not in the crowd. I'm on life's ride. Through every step I've come to know I'm not lazy. I'm simply slow.